Oh,
Oh, yeah.
who is that?
Oh.
Was she ho, ho, ho?
Not so much, but
Did
now
she
when
cry?
yeah, she did like this.
Oh,
She
really?
sat on him,
Yeah.
Don't want to sit.
but she liked looking at him from a distance.
Oh.
The other day we were in Sears and I'm paying the guy. She's sitting in the stroller going, Santa, Santa, Santa.
Did he have a beard?
Not the guy. It was like an Asian guy that I was talking to. So then I look down at her and I go, Santa, and I hear, hello, and I turn behind me and there's this guy standing there with a big white beard.
Oh,
and,
for heaven's
and then she goes,
sake.
no Santa, no Santa, and she's like turning away from him like she doesn't want to go, like sit on his lap or anything. And then we're leaving, so I laughed, he laughed, you know, he was like, oh, he was really nice about it.
He probably gets that a lot.
Yeah, and then we're like, you know, I'm taking the stroller away and she goes, bye Santa! He says, bye!
Oh, that was cute.
To a guy at Stop and Shop that would have been a great Santa,
Oh,
but he hated
God. I
kids.
wonder if he's
Oh,
still alive.
Yeah.
Poor guy.
I wonder if people get bent out of shape if kids call him Santa. Do you think? If they have
What?
big white beard?
I
Well,
don't
they
think
probably
Jim
know they
liked
have it.
I don't think Jim liked it. Did you, Flash?
Right.
I think some probably like
Well,
it,
he
and
just
some
didn't
probably
like
don't.
kids. I said to him once,
Emily,
"You
would you like
a
to put my
great
glasses
Santa."
on?
He goes, I hate kids.
Emily, would you like to
no.
put my sunglasses on? Oh, is the book done?
Did you finish?